Hi, I'm dentist Dr. Damla Zenar. Dental implant prostheses come in various types to suit individual needs. The first type is the single-tooth implant, which is ideal for replacing one missing tooth. This involves placing an implant into the jawbone and attaching a crown on top, creating a natural look and feel. It's a great option for preventing bone loss and maintaining the health of surrounding teeth. Next, we have the implant-supported bridge, which is perfect for patients missing multiple teeth. Unlike traditional bridges that rely on adjacent teeth for support, this solution uses implants as anchors. It provides a stable foundation while protecting the neighboring teeth from unnecessary wear. For patients who have lost all their teeth in one arch, a full arch fixed bridge is an excellent choice. Supported by several implants, it offers stability, a natural appearance, and improved functionality. This option also helps preserve bone structure and facial aesthetics. Finally, there's the overdenture, a removable prosthesis supported by implants. It's more stable than conventional dentures and helps prevent bone deterioration, making it a comfortable and healthy long-term solution.